Good morning, my name is Randy Willett. I'd like to welcome you to Guarantee RV. We're experiencing a little mist this morning, and that won't bother us at all. I'm here to show you a 2012 Thor Serrano. It's a 33-foot triple slide. Very nice coach. On the outside, we have lots of storage. And this is pass-through storage back here. We have an electric awning. This all wired to tow. This is a very short coach. It's only 33 foot long. It's a diesel powered max force engine in it. This comes with your 50 amp service, 2 roof air conditioners on it. On this side we have the weigh station with an outside shower. Has a hydro flush to clean out the particulate out of the black tank. Then up here we have a 6,000 quiet diesel generator. Here's your batteries that are in a pull out slide out. Easy to access. And then more storage up here. This does come with the side vision cameras. Probably one of the best things I ever did on a motorhome, because if you turn on the left turn signal, it will show down the full side of the coach where you cannot sideswipe anybody. Turn the right side on, it does the same thing on that side also. We'll go to the inside of the coach. Nice thing, the battery disconnects are right at the entry. So if you go out for dinner at night, you can leave all the lights on. Hit the battery disconnects, it turns them off, and then when you come back from dinner or wherever you go, turn the disconnects on and you have lights back in the house. This has a full pull-out sofa. As you can see, this has abundant storage, very deep cabinets on both sides. You have a televator TV that you can sit straight across from the TV and watch the TV, table and chairs. In the front here, this is on a workhorse chassis. This has your automatic or manual levelers on it. Something that's very easy if you want to run it manually where you need a little more throw to the jacks to level it out, you can do that. As we walk back through the coach, you can see it has an all linoleum floor, very easy to clean, very deep cabinets. You do have your microwave convection oven with your 8 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. This has pull-out pantry, full slide out. Those are 80-pound door guides. And then as we look at the bathroom, you have a nice big shower, commode, very roomy, very nice place to relax. Here in the bedroom we have a queen island bed. You have a TV over here with 2 shirt closets with lots of doors and drawers. Once again, full extension door guides. Just a very, very nice coach. Small, it's very easy to park. You could take it in any state park. The limit in Oregon is 35 feet. This is 34 feet. Something that would be very easy to take off in the boondocks if you decide to do that. I want to thank you very much for your time. My name is Randy Willett, and if I could be of any assistance on this coach or any other coach, please feel free to give me a call. My number is 541-912-1905. Thank you so much.